Yeah, BNBU is a quite new university and located in the Guangdong province, which is located in south part of China. Some of the students may confuse with our university, Beijing Normal Hong Kong Baptist University, right? Because the location is neither in Beijing or Hong Kong. Because we are jointly founded in 2025 by two universities. One is Beijing Normal University, another one is Hong Kong Baptist University, and that becomes us, BNBU. And we are the first full-scale cooperation in higher education between Chinese mainland and Hong Kong. I will try to further explain in the following slide. And here you can see the location, and we're just next to Macau, and we just can take the shuttle, cross the bridge, take 1 hour shuttle bus to Hong Kong and near Guangzhou and Shenzhen. And in this area, we call the Greater Bay Area. And here you will see a lot of opportunity here happen, everything like the innovation technology hub, and also sees the opportunities in Greater Bay Area as well. And maybe students may continue their further education in Greater Bay Area in Hong Kong, or just take an internship opportunity or find a job here. And because of our university is a joint venture university, so which means the students will get two certifications. One is the graduation certificate of our school, BNBU, and they will get the same degree from Hong Kong Baptist University. It's 100% the same as the bachelor degree from Hong Kong the students study in there. And all the program we just taught in English only for undergraduate programs. And today we just focus on the undergraduate program, and our school is not requiring any of the Chinese proficiency requirements. So which means enter our school, just don't need to provide with any CSCA test results. And here is more like an international school, because most of our faculty members are from overseas, and you can see 1/3 is from overseas and 1/3 from Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, and the rest will just from mainland China. And also we will have a nearly 90% of full-time lecturers and professors from all departments holding doctoral degrees. And here there is some pictures of the class. You can see those professors and faculty members are all from all the world just sit together, and also the students our international students are all from over the world as well. And the majority will be the mainland China as other Chinese universities. And here, as what I mentioned, today we will just focus on the undergraduate programs. Later, I will introduce 30 undergraduate programs to you. And we do also have the graduate school if you are interested and looking for the programs for postgraduate. And you can just find the contact. I can share it later. And here, like the curriculum structure and diversify performance evaluation criteria, and actually every classes where every course at the beginning our professor will just giving out the rubrics and let the students know like how many projects presentations and maybe quiz will gonna happen during the whole semester. So it's not only examination during the semester, and students will be asked into the group project, which means the students need to work pair with 5 to 6 students into a group to finish the assignment together, and also giving the presentation and just present what they have done on, and also just presenting the outcome for from their research as well. And also we will have the midterm and quizzes and also presentation during the whole semester. And for 4 years studied, the students may need to complete 148 to 155 credits in total, then they can finish the task during 4 year study here and get the certification of the graduation. And here, I will just try to introduce some more detail about the programs. Actually, we have 5 faculty and schools in BNBU, and here comes the first Faculty of Business and Management. And nowadays, most of our applicants will just consider applying for like e-business management and also like marketing and entrepreneurship and innovation program. Because some of the students may want to learn something and get back to their home country to do some contribution after the bachelor degree study in China. That's the most popular programs under Faculty of Business and Management. And also we have a very new program called Digital Media Management as well. It's more like cross-discipline program. And it's also very popular from international students. Yeah. And also we have the accounting, finance, applied economics, business analytics program as well. And the second comes from the Faculty of Humanity and Social Sciences. And we have 3 departments under this faculty. And most of the international students come from when they study in China, maybe just want to look for the Chinese program, which want to learn some Chinese culture as well, then definitely Chinese culture and global communication will be their first choice. But as all the program will be taught in English only, then we don't request any Chinese test result or HSK level test requirement at all. So no worry at all. Then you can just learn English and Chinese both in BNBU for 4 years. Yeah. And also this faculty is more related to communication and public relations and advertising, and also globalization and global development is quite popular for international students who want to learn worldwide cultures and also digging deeper into the globalization development. It would be the good choice for them. And also, if the students really want good at English and maybe want to learn some literature study relevant program or want to further study literature studies, here is a program for those students called English Language and Literature Study Program. Yeah. And for the programs under Faculty of Science and Technology, I can say definitely AI program and computer science technology is the most popular, and also the trend become more and more popular. But it will request the students have the mathematics strong background of it, because those programs will be more related to the programming and calculation, and it requires a strong background of the mathematics as well. And we have 2 very unique programs called Applied Psychology and the Science Technology as well. And it attracts a lot of application, and we receive more and more from the recent years. And yeah, we do have other related program related to mathematics, financial mathematics, data science, statistics as well. And it comes to the School of Culture and Creativity. And this one will be more related to the media part, because those program under this school is not only focused in the theory learning, and it's turned to more practical classes, because we have a lot of multiple function studios for those students. Like the students taking the cinema and television program, we definitely need to have the photo shooting, video shooting task every semester. Then they would just have the group project and need to discuss and finish the assignment together in using those facilities and devices. Yeah. And also we have the musical art, and it's also very new program in BNBU, and you provide with vocal and instrument. It depends on the students which part is focusing on. And also we have another one is also very popular for students is called media arts and design. If the students are really good at 3D modeling and also painting, drawing, and you the better to provide your portfolio during the interview session and try to present to our interview panels and explain your idea with us. That would be great. And the last school of AI and liberal arts, and this school will just select the top students in different faculty and schools then into this school called AI and liberal arts, and it's more like AI driven. Then our professors will just group those students in different small group and guide them through for 4-year study, and it will guide by our famous professors on campus. And here we have a nexus for industry and a lot of research hub on campus, and also we have the facility and also the Institute for Advanced Study. We have postdoctoral degree program and also the office in charge of this. Then you can find a lot of them. If the students already have the further education plan, then it will definitely will have the advice from it. And currently we have 2 campuses because the new campus is still under constructing, but the new dorm is already open to our international students. But currently we cannot provide any single room for international students, even for our Chinese domestic students. So I will show you some pictures later. Yeah, you can see the main campus here at the right side. It's called Campus 1. And here we have the teaching buildings, dorm area in Campus 1. And the left side is our new campus. And some students may confuse that if this school in China, mainland China, how come they just provide English taught program? And if they want to learn some Chinese, then what should they do and any opportunity for them? My answer is definitely yes. The students will get the opportunity to learn Chinese language during 4-year study in BNBU because we will have the class for international students only. The students will separate in different level. If you already have some Chinese background, like you already have the HSK test result, or know how to write some simple words, or is frequently speak Chinese, then you can start from the upper class in the BNBU, and we also have the tutorial of the class as well. Then you will get a chance to study Chinese together with the other students from over the world. Like in the classroom, you will have the classmates from Benelux countries and European countries or Southeast Asia students together to learn Chinese. Yeah. And I will show you some facility and very beautiful picture of our campus. And here is the Learning Resource Center, and we call it library because the students may spend most of the time here and doing the self-study and also do the research, including those books and online data researching. Yeah, it's really beautiful. And here's some pictures inside the bookshelves, the desk, the facility, everything's here. And also for those students need the technical and also the facility of the lab, then you can see here's a picture of the applied psychology. They are doing some level test during this semester. And we have different labs for different programs on campus. And here is a picture of the science students. Food science students, food science program may be more related to chemistry and biology. Yeah. And here is a picture of the studio. What I mentioned is for the media or musical students for those multi-function studio. And here we have the gym and sport park here, and we have a 5 floor in this building, and we have the standard swimming pool here, and also we have the multi function studio here as well, and also badminton court, basketball court, and students will may have the classes, PE classes here, and also holding those like student clubs happen here. Yeah, here's the gym room as well. And we also share the sport park with our community just next to our campus, between those two campus. Yeah, and we share the like the playground, basketball court, tennis court here. And here's the dorm, the picture of dorm. Here's the picture of the dorms at campus 1, and you need to share the baths with others. There's a twin bathroom. And here is the new dorms in campus 2, and it costs $6,400 per year. And we also have several canteens at BNBU, and you can choose whatever you want, because you know, at south part of China you can find every cuisine everywhere. If you like Western food, Chinese traditional food, also dim sum is quite famous, and also like the KFC, McDonald's, everything you can find it on campus. But one thing I need to mention is that currently we cannot provide any halal food. Yeah, especially for those movements. We have the summer program, and also take the exchange out program to our partner institutions, and we choose those program in our partner schools is high ranking in the world. Like the students may heading to Oxford, Cambridge, like SKKU, NTU in Singapore as well, for summer program, spend 2 or 4 weeks there. And all those programs are academic related, which means it's not only for tourism, and also you can do the credit transfer back to the BNBU. Yeah. For the graduate prospects, I can say most of our graduates will just continue their education for master degree, no matter in mainland China or out of China, especially in UK, Australia, and America. Yeah, they will just continue their master's degree. And you can see those alumni will just go to the QS top 100 university to further their education. And most of the students will just go to UK. That's what I mentioned just now. Yeah, also the students will go for Hong Kong. And here is some collaborative partners and the company. They will just graduate to just find a job here. And regularly we will just host those like the cultural activity, no matter it's Chinese traditional one or it's international one. We try to get the students involved and exchange the culture in from different cultural background, different countries, regions. Yeah, like calligraphy, traditional bookmaking, flower arranging, Taiji class, and like handicrafting, painting. Yeah, everything could happen here. And here comes the most important part, and we do offer the scholarship for international students, but all the quotas are first come first serve because BNBU is not in the list of a Chinese government scholarship, so which means we cannot provide those kind of scholarship. But we do have the full scholarship and 50% entrance scholarship and even 30 entrance scholarship for those eligible students, and also encourage the students to submit their application as soon as possible because all the quotas may run out after we're near the deadline. So yeah, it's better to submit your application as soon as possible. And for the admission and applications, it depends on what curricula you're following. And if you are following IB, diploma, SAT, or Cambridge A level, AP level curricula is all acceptable, and it depends because we need to go through and review your transcript and also your graduate certification later and let you know the result, whether you can submit by us or not. Those information could be found in our homepage website. I will share the link and also the website later for your reference. Yeah, here with the application, then you need to submit your application with those following supporting documents like graduation certification of your high school and full set of a transcript. If the student is still under the last semester of high school, then you can just send us the previous transcript. We will calculate the average score based on the current transcripts. It's okay. And then you can update it to us once you receive the final semester transcript and also your graduate certification to complete your application, maybe probably in late May or June, before June. Yeah. And also you need to submit with 2 recommendation letter as well and your personal statement. And we don't have the specific requirement of the personal statement, just indicate your motivation and your understanding why you are applying for BNBU and the program you are applying for, your understanding of it. And also we need your passport copy to check whether you are eligible to apply as an international student, and we will help you to go through the process of visa application as well. If the student is not from the English-speaking country, you will need to submit with the IELTS or TOEFL score with your application. And please pay attention. Application deadline will be next year, May 15th, 2026. So just make sure that submit the application before the deadline. Yeah. And after submit application, we will just invite you for the interview. Yeah. Maybe we will arrange it, the interview for you. Our panel members may ask you some relevant questions, and you can just introduce a little bit on yourself and let us know why you are appropriate for this program and also how interested you are studying China and in BNBU, right? And last but not least, I would like to share some pictures, beautiful pictures to you. Then you will get a general picture of what's going on in BNBU, and maybe you can just come to visit us during winter break or summer break. Yeah. I will just have a quick, and I will leave this. Maybe you can do a screenshot or take a picture and scan the QR code and email us anytime and consult other channel mission as well. If you have further questions, yeah, we're welcome to further explain on that. Yeah, hopefully we can help you in 2026 intake. Thank you.